Excuse me, bud. Hey, how's it? Guess where I am? Exactly where we would like you to be. For the official HP Latex R530 open house, where we will be showcasing this beauty. If you cannot get to Vespa Barcelona because of the cost of the airfares, but you are looking for a compact, state-of-the-art printer that offers both rigid and flexible printing, the whitest white ink available, unmatched quality, and the advantages of environmentally friendly inks, this event is just for you. Slots are available on the 9th and 10th of June at either 9 a.m. or 1 p.m. And people, bookings are essential. Otherwise, there will be no place for you. Please click on the link provided or contact your Midcomp representative in order to book your place before they are all gone. We look forward to seeing you there, where we can show you this beautiful machine in action.